Nature, in its essence, is the embodiment of my name, the Maker, the Creator. Its manifestations are diversified by varied causes, and in this diversity, they are signs for man of discernment. Nature, it's God's will and its expression in and through the contingent world. It is a dispensation of providence ordained by the ordainer, the All-Wise. With those words, Baha'u'llah, prophet founder of the Baha'i faith, outlined the essential relationship between man and the environment, that the grandeur and diversity of the natural world are purposeful reflections of the majesty and bounty of God. For Baha'is, this follows an implicit understanding that nature is to be respected and protected as a divine trust for which we are answerable. Such a theme, of course, is not unique to the Baha'is. All the world's major religions make this fundamental connection between the Creator and His creation. How could it be otherwise? All the major independent religions are based on relations from one God, a God who has successfully sent His messenger to earth so that mankind might become educated about His ways and will. Such is the essence of Baha'i belief.